Hello there. Today I'm going to guide you through using discounts in Wantly proposals. You can begin by clicking on New Proposal as you start crafting your proposal. Next, I'll select an empty template and add a product. For this demonstration, let's add a sofa. You'll notice the price displayed there. If you click on the price, you'll see options for applying a discount. You have the flexibility to apply a discount either in currency or as a percentage. For this example, I'll choose a percentage and apply a 10% discount. You'll then see the discount reflected in currency, indicating the exact amount your client will save. To proceed, I'll save the proposal and click View to take a look. Currently, the discount appears as a currency amount. However, if you'd prefer to display the discount as a percentage, simply return to the proposal, access the proposal settings, and select Show Discount as Percent. Remember to hit Save. Now, the discount is presented as a percentage to your client. If you prefer not to adjust this setting every time and consistently show discounts as percentages, head over to Settings. Navigate to Main Settings, then Additional Settings, and look for Payments and Discount settings for all your proposals. Here you can opt to Show Discount as Percent. By selecting Yes and saving your settings, all your proposals will now display discounts as percentages instead of currency. That's it. Enjoy using Wantly.